In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an app in Lovable. Navigating through various app development platforms can sometimes be overwhelming, but in just a few simple steps, you will be able to publish your app with ease using the Lovable dashboard. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to access the Lovable dashboard. Once you're there, look for the All Projects section. This area of the dashboard is where you can view all your active projects. It's essentially the home base for everything you're working on, so once you've pinpointed this area, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a list displaying all the projects that you are currently managing or are a part of. Now that you've got your project list in front of you, the next step is selecting the specific project you want to publish. It's crucial to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you're handling multiple projects simultaneously. Take a moment to locate your desired project, then give it a click. This brings you into the project's individual workspace where you can look over all the details related to that specific app. Once you're inside the project's main page, your next move will be to find the publish icon. On the interface, you'll notice various icons, but the one you're looking for is situated above the arrow up icon. This icon is the gateway to getting your app from development to a live environment. With a confident click on that publish icon, you'll be prepared for the next step, which is where the magic truly happens. Now, after you've hit that publish button, a prompt or screen will emerge with more options or confirmations you might need. Here, you'll see an option to continue. This part of the process confirms your readiness to take everything you've worked on and push it towards going live. Simply click on the continue button. At this stage, it's good to double check that everything looks as it should and that there are no last-minute tweaks needed. And there you have it. With those few steps, you've successfully navigated through the Lovable platform to publish your app. Remember, each step is critical to ensuring your app is ready for users, so taking the time to carefully check each part is well worth it. If you run into any issues or need more detailed instructions on particular details, always feel free to consult Lovable's support or their detailed guides. Thanks for watching today's video, and happy publishing!